So if you're looking to travel abroad, there's certain requirements to be met. Very, very specific. And he had a very specific letter he needed. Hey there, I am John Stevenson. Welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today we're going to be talking about someone I just recently helped get an annuity. It's an irrevocable annuity, a SPIA contract from New York Life. So it wasn't the highest payout. Well, it might have been, but it was the only one that it was the only annuity contract that would work for his situation. So he's 52 years old, lives in California. He is looking to live in Peru, and the Peruvian government requires that he has certain language in an annuity contract and also a notarized, wet signed letter from the company that is stating that the contract is irrevocable, cannot be cashed in, cannot be canceled, has no death benefit. Like, they're very, very specific. And he had a very specific letter he needed in order to be able to legally live there. So, and I've helped many people in Europe and in Peru. Well, people that want to live in Peru, and all these people are US citizens. They want to live in different places around the world. And so some of those countries require different levels of income. And I've talked about this in past videos, but I just wanted to point this out because I recently helped this gentleman. He put in, let's see here, $200,000. That's going to give him $1,132 a month for life. It only represents about 10% of his total liquid assets. So, but he needed a contract. He needed the language to be very specific. It had to basically have it in there that this is a lifetime annuity contract that cannot be canceled, cannot be surrendered, has no cash value, basically that is guaranteed for life. And I believe he needed at least $1,000 a month in that kind of contractual income to live there. And he's got plenty of money. I mean, he absolutely has plenty of money, and he can generate more income from his other assets, but he just needed to have that specific contract to say that language for that amount in order for him to live there. So if you're looking to travel abroad, maybe live abroad, a lot of times, sometimes the requirements, I want to say, I don't know, some European nations is like 3 months. Then you got to have some sort of visa or some extension. You got to have, there's certain requirements to be met. You got places like Italy, and I want to say for married couples, it's like $3,300 a month that they require. So it's just different. It's different everywhere you go. But anyways, I am out here on the trail and hanging out just above Genoa, Nevada, which is on the other side of Lake Tahoe. And it's a beautiful, old, historic town. Little western town. But beautiful homes. And if you've never been up here, it's worth a visit. Anyways, it was warm in Tahoe. Now it's cold. It'll be warm again. You can enjoy the snow and then come down and enjoy the beach. Lake Tahoe Beach, that is. It's kind of like California, right? You can, here in Nevada, it could be windy, stormy, and then all of a sudden, super warm. And we got crazy weather, just crazy. So, but it's beautiful here. And I've got clients that come up here and visit me, and it's just because it's a beautiful place. So anyways, all right, well, there's another story for you. I hope you enjoyed this channel. If you do, like, subscribe, share, comment below. If you are looking for an annuity for yourself, for your retirement, I would highly encourage you, go to my website, johnstevenson.com, look at the calculators, go through them. The income rider calculator typically pays the most if you're looking for highest lifetime annual income. But there's other calculators there. You got the SPIAs, the DIAs, you got the MIGA, you got the QLAC. Just depends on what type of annuity you are looking for. If you're looking for contractual guarantees, if you're looking for market protection, it's all there. Okay, if you're looking for guaranteed income, highly recommend it. So, and then once you feel comfortable reaching out, book a Zoom meeting with me. There's a link below this video, and there's a link on my website to do so. So I'm not going to try to sell you anything, but I will show you what's available, answer your questions, and of course, I'd love to help you purchase an annuity if that's what you're looking for. So anyways, hope you enjoy the views. It's wonderful being out here. It smells good. And I love telling these stories and kind of just sharing what's going on right now in annuities, because payouts are really, really good right now, and people are taking advantage of it. And people like you are searching around on the internet looking for transparent advice. And it's hard because there's a lot of us guys out here with video cameras talking about annuities. And we make commissions off of selling these. And for me, I already know you're looking for it. You're looking for answers. You should at least be able to have transparency, see what's out there. And that's why I have those calculators available. And it's really important because otherwise you'll be pushed into an annuity product that is usually not the best for you and is best for the agent because the commissions are high. So it's important at least to see what's available so that you can get what's best for you and not what's best for the agent. Hope that helps. If you have questions, please comment below. I'd definitely be happy to answer those. I appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.